Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay. Welcome to £1 Meals. Today is St. David's Day, so I'm going to be cooking this leek recipe from Book 3, super easy £1 meals. Now the first thing we need to do to get the maximum flavour out of the leek is start caramelising it. So I'm going to chop it into little circles. Then we're going to get a pan on a medium-low heat and we're just going to start browning the leeks off. Now to make them extra luxurious, we're going to go in with a teaspoon of butter and a little bit of olive oil. Also give it a little season. And these are just going to fry off for about 10 minutes. Now we're getting a nice bit of colour on the leeks. We're going to grab some smoked streaky bacon and we're going to chop it into thirds. Then chuck that in and get a little bit of colour on the bacon. Next we're going to go in with a small handful of peas. And all you want is for these to defrost and then we go on to the next stage. Now we're going to pour in a little bit of cream. And we're just going to simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes so it thickens up. We also want a nice glug of olive oil and a little bit of pepper. And here it is, my leeks, peas and bacon from Book 3, super easy £1 meals.